In this video, let's see how to mask phone numbers. In the navigation bar, click on Users. Click the Add User button to create a new user. Enter the required details in the Add New User pop-up. Once you've entered the details, you have the option to mask the shared contact number. Choose either yes or no from the drop-down menu based on your preference. Click the Submit button to proceed. In the navigation bar, click on Contacts. Select a contact group. Select the three-dot icon located beside the marketing group. Click on the Share option from the drop-down menu. Within the pop-up, select the drop-down and pick a user to share the contact group. Click the Save button after selecting the user. To switch the user, click on the user profile icon in the top right corner. Select a user from the drop-down menu under the user profile. Upon switching users, choose Contacts from the navigation bar. Select the marketing contact group from the list on the left. Here, you can see the masked number that has been shared with the user. Thank you for watching.